In this video, we'll cover how to manage products, prices, and kits in C2CRM. When managing products in C2CRM, we utilize price books and dates to dynamically select pricing as your team adds products to quotes, samples, and invoices. Let's start by creating a new product. Click on Quick Create, Product. Fill out the product with any relevant information, including a title, description, and a cost. Filling in prices is quick and easy in C2CRM. Select the price book you would like to add a price for, fill in the price, and fill in optional dates to create pricing windows for specific prices. Next, let's look at product kits. Product kits can be used to automatically populate multiple products when building out a quote, sample, or invoice. When building out a kit, the items used to create it are pulled directly from your existing products in C2CRM for a streamlined process. When adding products to kits in C2CRM, you can change the quantity in order to add different amounts of products for different kits. Product kits can be priced in a variety of ways. They can be priced as a kit with all kit items listed as a bill of materials. They can be used as a bundle to quickly add frequently grouped items together using the item's individual pricing, or they can be used in combination to create kit discounts. To see products, prices, and kits in action, check out our sales module video.